Are you ready to take your messaging game to the next level with multi-message? Well, you're not alone. But what if you've installed the Chrome extension and can't find the multi-message icon?
Hey there. I just installed the multi-message Chrome extension, but I can't seem to find the icon. What do I do?
Don't fret, here's a simple solution to get that icon back in action. Step 1. Close Google Chrome completely to ensure a fresh start. Step 2. Reopen WhatsApp once you've closed Chrome. Reopen it and head back to webwhatsapp.com. Step 3. Look for the multi-message icon. Voila! You should now see the multi-message icon on the WhatsApp interface.
Awesome. The icon is back. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Now you can enjoy the full power of multi-message and boost your productivity. Unlock the true potential of your WhatsApp messaging experience with multi-message. To download the multi-message Chrome extension, visit the Chrome Web Store today.